Hi everyone, David here. Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for coming back for another video. As you can see, we have a special star guest today.
Hi, thank you. Thank you for introducing me. I'm Daiki. It's been a while, right?
It's been a while. It's been more than a year.
Year?
Unbelievable.
So you checked before, right?
I did, yeah. We all missed you.
Wow.
How are you doing?
Yeah, good. Yeah, still good. Yeah.
Yeah. Eating enough vegetables?
Eating enough vegetables? Yeah.
You're good. Sleeping enough?
Sleeping enough vegetables? Just
maybe.
work.
Okay,
yeah,
that's good.
Normal, right? It's really good here.
Well, the reason we haven't seen Daiki for a while is because he's working a little bit far from Osaka now. It's, can we say where?
Yoshimi-no-Sato?
Yeah.
But it's close to the Kansai airport.
Yeah, so he's around Kansai airport. So if you don't know, that takes about 1 hour from Osaka City. So yeah, he's moved down here. I don't get to see him much, but today I was lucky I could come and see him.
Yeah.
I just need to look at the camera. If you keep missing, I've never done these things right to this camera. So today we are going to take a look around Daiki's new apartment. You might remember a while ago,
it's 2 years ago.
Maybe 2 years ago, we made a video about his super cheap apartment. But this is even
more
cheaper.
Cheaper,
yes.
Yeah.
We're not going to say how much yet.
Yeah.
Let's take a look around first, and then we'll talk about how much it is. So before we start, please like this video. That's going to help us a lot. Subscribe to the channel. What else? Leave a comment.
Share your friends.
Share with your friends, of course. And okay, so let's take a tour around. Are you ready?
Yep, I'm ready.
Okay, let's go. Well, before the room tour, let's take a look around the area. This is Tajiri City and Yoshimi-no-Sato Station, and there's Daiki. So let's take a look around the area. As you can see, quite a quiet station on the Nankai line. This is about 20 miles south of Namba, quite a small one. Although this station's been open for over 100 years. And here's Daiki's apartment block. As you can see, it looks a bit like a roadside hotel. That's because it used to be one. There's no reception now. There's, I think, a security room in there. But there are other facilities for residents, such as this training room, where there's some gym equipment. So Daiki can keep pumping muscles. The rooms are too small for this kind of equipment, so this is quite useful for people. I don't think there's a gym around here either. There's also a nice lounge. You can socialise with your fellow hotel mates, and a TV at the back. And of course you can do your laundry. This takes up a lot of space, so there's a washing machine and dryer on every floor. So I think that's most of the facilities. You can see the Rinku tower at the back. So let's take a little room tour now. Okay, thanks for inviting me to your room.
Okay, thank you for coming to my house. It's really tiny place.
Can you give me a tour? Yeah. Okay. So, what's our first stop? This is the main room.
There is no many things I can introduce here, but okay. Just first things it's really tiny place. Yeah. Yeah. Just.
This is the room. Yeah. This is.
It's. I always do this sleeper here.
Yeah.
Use this desk, eating something, studying. Here, cooking here.
Wow, very minimal.
Very minimal. Yeah.
Okay. So here we go. Here's the kitchen. Is it big enough to cook what you want to cook?
Yeah. Okay. I usually use this desk to cut something.
Oh, okay.
So
this is your preparation too.
Preparation is here. Studying preparation is
interesting.
Here. Yeah. Okay. There is no balcony here.
Yeah.
Just outside.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
We can see the train line from there.
Train has it. There's airport is here.
Yeah. There's a train coming. Is it noisy here?
Not too much. I don't think so. Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah, but the good thing is that the scenery from here is really amazing. Yeah.
You said
now is not good timing, but if I see here, like especially sunset is really amazing here.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's good.
I don't know. It's close to the ocean. The color is like something.
Yeah, we're quite close to the beach from here, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good.
That's good, right?
Do you ever go to the beach?
Yeah.
Okay.
Many times I went there summer. So this is the fridge.
You've got the fridge as well.
Yeah. it's really tiny, right?
Well, like I said before, this is used to be a hotel, right?
Yep.
So this feels like hotel fridge.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah.
It's been using for 20 years, I
Yeah.
guess.
We've even got room service. You can call that. It's not room service though, right?
Hi, what's up? Nobody calls me before.
Okay.
Okay.
So
This is a room.
yeah.
So this is a shelf where there are some books here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You had a pretty minimal
Yeah.
life in
yeah.
Neyagawa, so
I don't have many stuff, just to be honest.
yeah.
But if my house is bigger, maybe I can put something right there.
Mm-mm-mm.
But my room is very tiny.
Yeah.
Because, just because I
You
can't.
you can upgrade soon.
Yeah.
Okay.
So,
No closet too, right? You have
Yeah, here's closet. Actually, there is no closet, so that's why I put here my clothes. Everything is
But
here.
that's not so unusual in Japan, right? Some people in Japan have like this kind of rack instead of a closet.
Maybe.
So yeah.
So
By the way, maybe you can see the Merry Christmas on the door.
yeah,
It's from the former resident, right? Mysterious.
mysterious.
Yeah.
Yeah. When I came to here first time, yeah, it feels like a horror.
Horror movie.
Yeah.
Okay, should we take a look in the bathroom if we can?
Bathroom is here.
Oh, it's very clean. I noticed this before. It's good. So you can. Is it big enough to, like,
Yeah.
get ready in the morning? So.
Maybe.
Yeah.
I usually take a shower. That's good.
Mm.
Yeah.
Do you call this like a unit bath?
Mm.
Is that what it's called? Yeah. So it's like going to a hotel, right?
Yeah.
It's, that's
That's
good.
different.
Easy to clean. Oh. I guess
But,
that's.
yeah.
And there's an air conditioner built in, but it's like a hotel one, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
You need air conditioner. Am I correct? Like, Japan is usually just put the air conditioner.
Right, they have like a
Yeah.
separate machine, but
Yes.
yeah, this is a little bit built in. It's a bit unusual.
Yeah.
Mm.
I think this unit, this
Yeah.
air conditioner is altogether the blue. So,
Mm.
yeah.
How do you feel living in this smaller apartment? Because your last one was small, but
First I came here, feels like uncomfortable, just to be honest. But I get used to it. Yeah.
Good. Yeah.
Because my previous apartment is more spacious compared to now.
Yeah.
But now this place is really tiny.
Yeah. I remember last time we made the video about.
Yes.
We said it was like, oh, look at this small apartment, but this is
Yeah.
even smaller.
But I'm not kind of person like staying in my house for a long time.
Right.
Okay? So I don't need much space here. Just be honest.
You're a
So
minimalist.
tiny space is really good.
That's great.
Yeah.
Do you know Marie Kondo?
Marie Kondo.
Kondo Marie.
Yeah.
She's like famous expert of
Yeah.
downsizing. So she would like this place, I think.
Yeah.
There's not a lot of mess.
But like I said, this place is really cheap price.
Right. So.
So if I spend money like on my rent price, maybe I should spend money on other things instead of using rent price.
Right.
Yeah. So that's why I choose here.
Right.
Yeah.
That's good because you get some money from your company, but
Yes.
even that's not enough to cover this one, right? So,
Yeah.
can you tell us what the big number is for the rent?
Number is,
Da, da, da.
uh,
Japanese yen is okay. Yeah, I'll put the translation.
20,500 maybe.
20
5,000 yen.
25,000.
25,000 yen.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
If I count in US dollars, I think
it's like
200,000.
maybe even less than that. Yeah. That's pretty cheap.
Yeah, it's cheap.
So
Yeah.
I wonder what can you buy in your home country with that rent? Or what can you rent for that price? Let me know in the comments if that's
Yeah.
a very small amount.
If you want to live here, maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you have enough space for one more person?
He's gonna tell you your specific address here.
Okay, well, thanks for giving me a tour of your lovely place. It's very clean, very tidy. I'm very impressed. Did you know I was coming?
Yeah.
You cleaned especially.
Thank you.
Okay, good. Thanks for the tour. Okay, well, thanks for showing us around your apartment.
Yeah. You are welcome.
Yeah. Let me come back next time if you come to an even smaller one.
Yeah.
Maybe like a little,
I try to find a much more space.
maybe
More
capsule
space.
hotel. It's going to be the next one. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
But it was nice to see you on the channel. It's been too long.
Yeah. Thank you for inviting me here.
Let's come back soon and let's eat some weird food
Yeah.
again or something.
We should try it.
Yeah. Well, if you like this video, please like the video. Please subscribe to the channel. We're almost at 1,000, so please push us over the edge. Leave a comment. Do you have any questions for Daiki? I'm sure he's a busy man, but he can answer some questions. And also, share with anyone.
Yeah.
If you're looking for someone who wants an apartment, you can ask Daiki. Okay. So thanks for coming, and see you again soon.
Thank you.
Okay,
Bye bye.